Squad. Welcome to another vlog. Guys, I'm heading to the insurance and it's about time that I've gone to the insurance. One, because y'all know I'm putting the Pro Box on the road as a taxi, so I need to make sure all of those are good, and then I need to follow up with Mummy's taxis as well. So my guy at the insurance should be expecting me if he's here. Who's not answering? Oh, hello? I'm in the lobby. Okay then. Alright, so I'm gonna get the vehicle documents, and I think Chad said he's gonna run to UTech. And yeah, should be alright, should be okay. Honestly, this insurance is busting my ass because it's so expensive. It's a lot that's going on. I've got my big old bag. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm always with this tote bag. I've always brought a tote bag with me. All my laptop stuff. Like for the past 2 years, like Kai and Chad always make fun of me. Like, why are you walking around with that bag? I always walk with this bag. The big bag. I was just talking about the bag. Alright. The hectic part is over. I gotta have my inside voice. Okay, this is not my inside. I'm just out of breath. Alright guys, let me deal with this, and then I need to stop looking at that and look at you guys. So I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm very organized. It just might look like chaos.
I
need to go up on their website and start practice the city codes for real. We are one step closer to our vehicle being on the road. I don't know about one, but with the money I just paid for that vehicle insurance, that taxi is going on the road tomorrow. Are you time for drive now? Come on, go and go drive. Come go drive, man, please. We're at the UTech campus. Yeah, try to find stuff for them to pick up.
Yeah, I'm gonna come show how you take it.
That's good. I hear you. I've switched my bag.
Yeah.
Alrighty guys, I don't know if you remember the COVID test. They just look so busted up, but they were in my suitcase that I got when I was in Colorado. Well, here they are. I'm gonna give them to my office. Hopefully my office manager is there. But yes, I don't want to talk long because I wanna go home. Let me stop. I think they're out there. Alright, so I just dropped off the COVID test. My office manager is in training, but I saw that there is a cosmetology place right next door, so I figured that I wonder more check out this one store. I thought that would be cool because I don't know, I just wanted to go in and I asked to see their services. They have laser facelift, they have fillers, they have chin lift, neck smoothing, they also have mesotherapy, they have actual like dermatology. Is that right? Yeah, they have like licensed dermatologists, and they have cosmetic procedures. So that's really cool. I'm gonna check them out, see what I can try and get the hold up. They have some law offices here too. I know Chad in the car waiting on me, but there's this other place that I want to, oh, so sorry guys. There's this other place that I want to go into. So I'm walking around the building. I need to pay that man some gas. Because child. Anyways, this is counting towards my steps for the day. So this is where the office used to be. Much bigger location, but they closed it down because COVID really put a lot of people out, you know, like nobody was really traveling coming into the office, so they sized down on the location. Good God, I'm so sorry. Okay, do you need a mask to go inside? I don't got a mask, so I'm just gonna go. Chad is there looking lonely. Oh my God, it's gonna rain. There's raindrops. I see two of my office people, so I'm running out of this car.
You want some curry again?
Yeah. It's almost done.
Okay, so please, if anything, come back.
Boy, Radam.
Right then, then it's a curry.
Calm down.
What's the next one?
Radam. Alright, what's the next one now? So this is Oasis Plaza. Right off of the bypass. We're gonna go into this haberdashery, Century 88, when Chad is finished. So I'll see. But let's go into the doctor's office now. I never tell them, but them no say the history, them I never tell them. Yeah. Alright guys, that's us. We're gonna head to the blood test place now.
Remind me something.
To pick up?
The written report.
Oh, okay. They gave the place lock?
What she say there? She says the one beside.
It clear up. I thought it was gonna rain today, but it clear up. Maybe they're closed. No, this is an electronics store. It can't so far. Restorative Justice Center. I don't know the box sometimes. Yeah. It's an insurance broker. We don't know. How far could it be? Is there nothing on the shop? Alright guys, we're in this haberdashery and them have some nice glassware. How much is them glassware? You like your glassware? How much is this? Where's the price? Yeah, when them to put the price? Well, which one? 400?
What's your price? I think that's probably buy 6.
Oh, and this is what?
Dozen.
But that not, oh sorry, that not bad per cup. And them not bad though. It's broken. Yeah, they have a lot of cool stuff. See now me, if I get this, take off the metal something here and spray paint it like black. Make it more modern. It's 1,800. They're always asking me the prices. Yeah, these are not bad. I will come in here with a $5,000 and see what I can get for $5,000. Right? Do a video. Not no Jamaican Walmart. Jamaican Walmart would that be like Price Smart or Mega Mart? This is Jamaican dollar store. Yeah. Cause them even have all of them little something here where you can put in a different container.
You know about store Ames?
Ames? If Chad is asking if y'all know Ames. I don't know about it. What is Ames? Almost wild.
It was prior Walmart. It was like the major store for Walmart.
What are you talking about Ames? I've never heard of Ames. And Chaddy, wanna keep on, this is one thing, wanna keep on, forget America is huge.
You was a big company, brother.
Ames.
Ames.
Alright guys.
A-M-E-S.
Let me know.
One time we were driving to one place and the brother said, "Mama, see this sign." One mark.
Me Google it. I'm have sports stuff.
One mark, I'm not gonna.
Ames. There's some other stores, I can't remember what them called, but them always lock off too. No, US. So you talk about Ames is here?
No, Ames was US. But
like, them have a bunch of like knockoff stuff though. But I know about VO5. There's a bunch of knockoff products. No, it's true, I'm not lying. This fan is so loud. Ever since we clean it, I'm gonna have to take it apart and put it back together because I clearly did something wrong. Because it's very loud. Yes, you're looking at my teeth. But I'm just hi. I'm finishing Diana because I was watching her earlier, but I had to pause. And that, if you guys have to do that with me too, then that's fine. Like if you can't finish my video in one sitting, that's me. Like sometimes, bro, but sometimes I'll go and come back like days later, but I finish and I still like watch and I still like and comment. But like, you know, if you have to do that, then me and you, we're the same. We're the same. I've been watching too much Sopranos, so all of a sudden I'm doing like a bunch of Italian stuff, you know what I mean? Like I speak with my hand. I'm tired, but I have a video. I have a video to edit, so I'm gonna bye. Guys, look.
Through their own memberships, their own Patreons, their own behind the scenes. But there's something about it, come on here and talk. It's not endorsing the brand. It's just like thanking them for letting you record another piece of content because they're supporting you in your journey. So it's making
$22 billion. I think that's insane. So I guess this leads into my question about like, can you go full time and
years that have been in my pitching course, that are now in my membership community, and they literally tell.
Good morning, B Squad. Official good morning, because I know you saw the footage from earlier, like literally an hour ago. But I didn't get to say good morning. I'm in Kingston and I'm getting another set of lash extensions because someone reached out to me and she was like, "Can we give you a set?" My hair is so, look at my edges. Anyways, so she's like, "Can we give you a set?" I'm gonna film a TikTok video, and yeah, I'm gonna just do a TikTok video. I'm gonna put some stuff in my YouTube, but yeah, I'm very nervous. I'm here early, which is great because I think my GPS can only bring me so far. I have enough. What's that noise? Let me just. Yeah, that's better. I have a feeling of where it is, but for some reason it's not really giving. It's giving lost. I'm not lost, but like I don't know which one of these buildings it is. If you even, you know what I'm saying, right? So as you saw, finally got the red plate for the Pro box. I have all the stickers up and everything. What I need to do now is to get the Hackney Carriage sticker and rates on the car, like on both sides. I think, well, yeah, I need to get the checkered design on both sides, and I need to get a fire extinguisher. I'm not sure. I mean, maybe I'll get the taxi globe, maybe not. But you're supposed to get the taxi globe, so yeah. But definitely the fire extinguisher, definitely the checkered stickers, and definitely the Hackney Carriage rates. All of that can be done today. I really want to get this car on the road, so like I won't have a car, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. But yeah, I'm really nervous. I'm not sure, like the lashes and everything on her Instagram looks like amazing. They look really good. Sorry about that, my camera ran out of storage. I keep forgetting, like when I finish editing and upload my vlog, that I should erase the footage because I don't switch on my memory card ever, which I need to. But if I'm done editing and I've uploaded it, I don't need it on my camera because I already have it on my hard drive. I already have it as a copy. I'm going into so much unnecessary details, but yeah, so I'm a little nervous because like some of the lashes are like thick, but I'm gonna talk to her about it, you know, like see everything. So I'm like really excited to showcase that, but I'm really excited to create the TikTok video because I've been really loving TikTok. We're almost at 11K, and I know the last video I was talking about how I want to get to 10K, and we're almost at 11, and by the time we upload this, like we could damn near be close to like 12, 13, 14, 15, you know. Guys, I'm with Chad.
Outside, now the time.
We're in Spain town doing some badness. Get it? That was corny.
Right, and walk and
this is what my lashes. The food they smell good. It smells so good. My lashes.
Oh my John.
Wrong time.
So you have no $200.
I change, beer change, my beer change. Wrong time.
Anything up, but never left money for your yard.
Guys, this is the first time me and Chad ever going supermarket shopping, I think. I don't know. But yeah. Getting some stuff. I don't know, guys. I just want some Malta and like a snack, like a chip, like a something. Just kidding.
Useful. Why?
Oh, you shake up the
Feel.
windows.
Yeah. Right now, it's
Oh, what's cream for?
pigs over there.
Hi guys, we are heading. We're going Bobby. I think maybe we go Ochi if the traffic somebody in Ochi and rain. But Felice and Aaron in the back.
Yeah, squad
Yeah.
outside.
Beach day, fun day.
Dollar them outside.
Alright.
Try to zip up this. Just like to make sure they can't zip up.
Yeah, show everybody.
Oh yeah, black.
Everybody. Everybody. Alright guys, make sure you like, comment and subscribe and stay tuned. Alright guys, I switch out. Got you tired. Put this in the middle for me, Chad.
Bruh, you need like a van to carry.
Hey, watch out what you got.
I got one taste, felt real love. Funny how that shit changed. I know I was lost, but I found my way. Think about our old days, now baby I might break. 3 in the morning, can't help but calling. 2 different sides, but one living in silence. Baby, I'm starving, hungry for your love, yeah. Deep in the woods, no guidance from above. You wanted my time, I didn't give enough. Spent a minute in the mirror while you lived it up. We were speaking different languages of love. Couldn't get words off my tongue, yeah, my ship sails up. It won't do much if it's sung, nah, nah, yeah. And I know, yeah. This should come, this should go. But I need you by my side, yeah, yeah, yeah. Think about you all the time, I can't help it.
To search our bags. Remember to buy my phone case at Casetify, link in the description box. Alright. Thank you, you too. Alright. Now I have to go buy food. I probably can't find my drone over here now, guys, but I will. I don't know. I've never been to Puerto Seco beach before. So this is nice. Water. I should be vlogging. You see the thing is? Doing everything all by myself, creating these TikToks and these videos are kind of hard because I have to keep doing all these videos by myself. So let me do some TikTok videos real quick and I'll be back with you guys. Alright guys, so we're going to find something to eat because we're all very hungry. Music is playing in the background, but the beach is really cute and I've never been here before, so alright, let me figure out where we're at. They have some beach rules. Alright, over here. Alright guys, music is playing. We're right back. Baby, I've been lost at sea. Gone through hell and back, come out alive, you see. Yeah, gotta tell you, I've done it before, yeah. I'll do it again, it's who I got it, I got it. Tell me what you want, and baby, I'm no reason. Guys, sorry about that, my phone. My camera died.
Sexiest man alive.
So I'm just gonna lay down until the food is ready. Chad just changed into his swim stuff.
Sexiest man alive. Really? You're not going out there?
No, I wait for my food first. Alright guys. Look at Chad. I feel bad. Someone just come out here with him. I'm wearing my cover up still and I can't get wet. So shallow. Chad swear him can't swim? You swear you can't swim?
Yeah, mermaid in the yacht.
So yeah, again, member from the party vlog, from the nightlife in Kingston. Chad. Felisa, Chad's sister. And Aaron, Felisa boyfriend. Chad swim, can't swim? Jesus. The man not even move, watch ya. Oh no, you don't move, watch ya. Oh no, you don't move. You don't move. You try. You don't try, you're too light. Swim to the buoy.
The blue something out there, sir.
Boy, bye. Swim to the white buoy. Swim to the buoy. Swim!
You can see if you go down, come back.
Yeah, it's not far. Go on. Then go. Go then. Stop talk. Go on then now. Stop talk. Go on. Go. Goodbye. The man is such a waste of time. He cannot swim. He can't swim. Food must ready now though.
25 minutes ago.
I got one taste, felt real love, funny how that shit changed. I know I was lost, but I found my way. Think about our old days, now baby I might break. You wanted my time, I didn't give enough. Spent a minute in the mirror while you lived it up. We were speaking different languages of love. Couldn't get words words off my tongue. Yeah, my ship sails up. It won't do much if it's sung. Nah, nah, yeah. And I know, yeah. This shit come, this shit go. But I need you by my side, yeah, yeah, yeah. Think about you all the time, I can't help it. I got one taste, felt real love. Funny how that shit changed. I know I was lost, but I found my way. Think about our old days, now baby I might break.
Guys, we rinsed off the food, but you saw the shots a while ago. The food was amazing. But I judge it, you know, but I judge it when I look on the burger, but the burger was actually really good, and the sauce that they gave, the fries taste nice. So try to rinse everything off, guys. And Felisa and Aaron rinse off everything. Felisa under the shade. Let me zoom in. Them two the under shade, and I just still try to hold sleeping out here on the beach in these like chairs are like the best thing that ever happened to me when I went to Hanover, because we slept for hours on the beach just out here. The only thing that's missing is a towel. When you have the towel and spread it out and then just drop asleep, the sleep just different. But yeah, let me know, drop a comment down below. The music is playing and I don't want to get a copyright strike, so I'll see you guys.
Oh, you did the impossible. I'm kind of feeling like you stole my heart. Your lips are incredible. Our bodies
We're leaving now, but look at this boat. I just thought I'd show you. Didn't really get much clip of today, but we did our best. Chad was so helpful. Like, he really helped me a lot, even with my phone, because my phone gave me a scare earlier. That's why I didn't get like the drone shots brighter during the day, like during sunset I should say. But we're getting them now, and I'm just gonna have the drone meet me over by the car. So I'll see you guys when we're on our way up. Bye.
Let's make this last a lifetime, lifetime. Your body holding on to mine. When you're inside me, we go overtime. I've been needing your love, love, love. Got me floating. I've been needing your touch, touch, touch. When you stroke it.
Morning, beautiful people. Actually, it's afternoon. It's literally 3:22. 15:22. I'm on my way to get some stickers put on the taxi. What is going on with this car? Can you hurry up and go? I'm on my way to get some stickers put on the Pro Box, the Hackney carriage, the checkered one, and another tag sticker. I was meant to get up and do this like 9 a.m. Tell me why. I just could not. My period started and I feel like crap. Like, I was tired. My heel bottom was killing me from wearing heels all day at the event yesterday, which I did a vlog on, so you can check that out. I'm not gonna put it in this video because that would just be really long. I'm doing a whole separate vlog about the first time that I've ever hosted an event, which I'm just so grateful for. So if you want to see how that went, make sure you go and check out that video. I hope you enjoy that, and I will see you guys when the stickers are being put on. Peace.
Feel it coming, no use running. Isn't this what you want? Me to give up and to slip out. Would you expect me to say?
So I'm actually in Waterford right now. That's where we get the stickers put on, and I cannot remember where which turn. So I'm just gonna use my eyes, you know. Which I think it is the first turn. If it's not the first turn, it's the second turn. But just like a well, that'd be easy. First turn. So I'm not gonna do that right now. Alright. Okay, I'm going. Oh, so you guys are blurry. Hold on. This is what the Pro Box is looking like before. As you can see, there's no stickers, nothing. I'm gonna come back and show you. We're gonna put a sticker up on the front top part too. Just want to show you. The car is so dirty. Oh my god, I'm embarrassed. I'm gonna wash it today after we put the stickers on. But yeah, I'm embarrassed, but it is what it is. Stickers still like up on the same way.
Get inside, Yes, sir. It's a great life. You like eating duck. Ever hear of a man named Don Carlos Alvarez? So, he wants me to do a little errand.
Fade away, fade away, fade away.
Found my way to Mega Mart, and I'm just here to buy some more pads because I bought some from the gas station last night when everywhere was closed, and I need to come get some, but I don't know what aisle. Oh, right here. And then I want to see how much their cakes are, if they have any cakes on sale. My favorite, and I know this is TMI for the men that watch, but these aren't even the best one, but these are my favorite. Alright, this music is playing. I'll be right back. But I didn't. It's some detergent, not the liquid one, but the powdery one. And I'm in the cleaning aisle, so I just need to find it. That's why you buy stuff, and people always are talking about, oh, whatever, but that's why you buy stuff and send them in bulk, because some of them prices just don't make sense. Yeah, it's for people who don't really buy like one items. I mean, I really buy one items. I like have like a big old, you know, a big old something. I don't know where they are, guys. I'm gonna have to find it and I'll be right back. I found them. Okay, so I've seen Chad get this one all the time, Sud. So I'm gonna get Sud. How much is it? Springtime Sud is $153. That's all I needed here, baby. I'm gonna get 2 of these. And that's it. If I see any cake soap, I'm gonna get a cake soap. That's another thing. I do need a tissue. Oh my god, I did not come for these. Okay, I'm gonna only buy one cake soap. How much is a cake soap? 76. Let me just buy what is this? It's a pack of 3. Do I need a pack of 3? But you know what, just buy it. And then the tissue, not the tissue, the paper towel, and then I'm gone. I'm out of here. I'm serious. Because I did not come for these things. Anyways, I'm just gonna buy the one where I have 2. How much are those? 2,000? Hold on. 2. You look on the head. Madness. Anyways, look at one day. 267. It is what it is. All right, that's it. That's honestly it. And good morning, guys. It is the next day. Ooh, sorry. It's very bright. I need to buy a fire extinguisher, and I'm trying to see if this place in Spanish Town has it. So let's go see. I'm also gonna go get my nails fixed. Oh, that's why I'm here. And people are hi, good morning, afternoon. Do you have any fire extinguishers? Alright, can I have one, please? Will I pay here?
No, I pay in the corner there.
Oh. For the milk, a piece of paper or anything? Just, alright. That's it. Maybe I expect it to be like 6 Hi, hello? Paying for a fire extinguisher? Okay. 2,200? I'm not really dressed up or anything. I'm just wearing a black top and shorts. Got my Apple Watch on because every step counts. Thank you. Alright. I'm running behind time. 5 minutes. I got 5 minutes to get to the nail place. But these are my real nails. It's just an overlay, but one of them was breaking already. There we go. Got our bike signature. Yeah. It's people to make money. Thank you. So if the car ever catch on fire, we have an extinguisher. I honestly thought it was gonna be more, guys. I thought it was gonna be like 6,000, 8,000. Like, I'm budgeting for that much, and it was only 2,500. So maybe this is also another good thing to get inside your house. Sorry, my key is stuck on my pants shorts. I try to make my vlogs a lot less shaky and all over the place, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna put that there. I'm not far from the nail place, but honest to God, I forgot hurry. Even when we reach, my daddy has sit down, so one day they can wait on me. I have to look everywhere now because them people here.
And you can save me now. Isn't it funny how we all seem to feel like it's all a dream? Do you wish you could shut it